Chicago Reacts back with another review. We got some Krispy Kreme donuts. Krispy Kreme donuts. We got I think they new peanut butter Reese's. No, yeah, peanut butter Reese's, and they got some chocolate Reese's. I'm gonna taste one of these. Let y'all know what I think about it. Enjoy life, smile every day. Forget what the next gotta say. Don't forget to drink y'all water, man. It be hot. I'm gonna give y'all some of that first. Break this up. Let's see what's on the inside of that joint. Look. It's a peanut butter one. That's exactly what I thought it was gonna taste like, peanut butter. It's good though. It's good. Peanut butter good for you, I think. Don't quote me on that. I'm gonna try this one. Chocolate one. Choppy. Get some of that. It's supposed to be like, it's like Reese. It's supposed to be like the Reese lovers. The chocolate one. I don't see nothing in the middle of that. Oh yeah, there is something in there. Look. It's good though. Kind of good. I like it. Probably have my little cousin here, but he playing, taking all day. I gotta drink some water with this though. It's good though. The filling. It was just something I wanted to do real quick. Just came out of the gym, so I came out of the gym. I did my phone video. I'm doing this one. I like 2 or 3 more I'm gonna do. I ain't gonna upload them. I did the phone, but I'll upload this one. But anything else, probably wait for like a week or 2 from now. Look at that. Get y'all a piece of that, more of that. My hands clean. I like it. I ain't gonna eat it because there's a lot of sweet. I try to stay away from sweet just to do reviews. That's it. What y'all got planned for the day? It's hot out here. Enjoy life, smile every day. Forget what the next gotta say. Hey, let me know what y'all want me to do. Review or any review or a reaction or what, or any video. The Popeye chicken come out tomorrow up here where I'm at. I ain't gonna try that. I'll probably go buy 2 or 3 of them, just take the meat out. You know what I'm saying? And let somebody else try it, but I don't know. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about these Krispy Kreme donuts. The chocolate one's cool, the peanut butter, it's cool too. I ain't gonna eat these, I'm just gonna eat them too. I'm looking at the other, what's the other part? And then that's it. It's cool. It's only like $178 each. I think it come out to be 10 something. Ain't much, it's cheap. It's good. But look at that stuff. I'm gonna drink me a lot of water. I don't drink milk. It is what it is. It's Jordan Duncan. Duncan, like, no, I'm joking. Let me know what you want to see me do next. Peace. Middle with East.